Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to dislike a video on TikTok. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, choose the video you want to dislike. On the right hand side of your screen, you can see the share icon. Tap on it. A screen will pop up, and you will see the Not Interested button on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Now, you have successfully disliked a video. I hope this video was helpful, and you are able to dislike a video on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.